Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the TS and AP class at 2021, and only the 2 days are left over there. And 23rd, the TS class at 2021 would be there in the morning and evening. And I believe that everybody has downloaded it. If you did not download it, please download before the 7 p.m. of the Friday today, because there may be some problem would be there to download. Perhaps that is the Professor GB Reddy, who is the convener for the admission, convener for the last set for exams, and he has revealed it. Yes, now I will give to my wife, my better half, my user, to go through some of the questions. Then I will switch on to the other people. Those who are the hosts are very much ready. Yes, please go through it. And speak loudly.
Question number 1. Who wrote A Farewell to Arms? A brief economic history of the world. 1 is Gregory Clark, 2 is Adam Smith, and 3 is Amrita Sen, and 4 is Kim Shelley.
Yes. Who's among the four? The Farewell to Arms. That is a brief economic history written by. Yes, feedback is Gregory Clark. Yes, please read the feedback.
A Farewell to Arms, a brief economic history of the world is a 2007 book about economic history by Gregory Clark. It is published by Princeton University Press.
Yes, this is the book. You could see the left-hand side and the right-hand side, extreme right, and you can see the author, Gregory Clark. Yes, the second question.
The book Malgudi Days is a collection of short stories written by Dash and published by Indian Thought Publications in India in the year 1943.
Yes, it is like a mock exam, and before we finish the other four options, you should supposed to give the answer. Yes, read the options. Read the options.
1 is R.K. Lakshman and 2 is R.K. Narayan and 4 is Raja Rao.
3 is Raja Rao.
3 is
Yes, who are the one among them who wrote the Malgudi Days? And especially participants should have to say this thing so that it will be a lesson to them. It is a mock trial to them also, because this is a very famous in the TV serial also. You could see
Sir,
it that many
option 2
serials.
RK Narayan.
Yes, yes,
Option 2 RK Narayan.
I appreciate that the right answer for the RK Narayana. And yes, go to the next. Okay, just a minute. Okay, go to the next. And this is RK Narayana, and who's politely that stamp also made it over there on his name. Yes.
The Tunnel of the Time, an autobiography written by 1 R.K. Lakshman and 2 is R.K. Narayan, 3 is Raja Rao and 4 is Milk Rajanand.
Yes, the book, The Tunnel of Time, an autobiography written by whom? The four options are given over there. And what is the right option? Participants, even though it is wrong, you have to give it. And
Option
don't
1.
check in the smartphone. Say again.
R.K. Narayana.
R.K. Lakshman is the brother of R.K. Narayana, and he is the R.K. Lakshman is a cartoonist, the good cartoonist, his brother, R.K. brother, yes.
There are three brothers, sir. R.K.
Yes.
Narayan, R.K. Lakshman, and R.K. Shankar. These are three brothers who became very famous as novelists as well as cartoonists.
Yes, yes, yes. What is the third brother who does?
Shankar, with his name, Shankar's Weekly also was published.
Okay, okay, okay. So that is the additional, our co-host made the supplement for that one. Yes. Next.
Fourth question, collection of coins or coin collecting is also called numismatics, and study of stamps is called or known dash. 1 is stamp philately and philately and
3 is
stamps record and 4th is stamp nest.
among the four, which is the right answer in the blank, where the 3 question marks and 5 to 6 dots are put it over there.
Separately option 1.
It is the second is the right answer. Philately. P-H-I-L-A-T-E-L-Y. Philately is the right answer. Read the feedback.
Coin collecting, also called numismatics, the systematic accumulation and study of coins, tokens, paper money, and objects of similar form and purpose. The collecting of coins is one of the oldest hobbies in the world. Philately, the study of postage stamps, stamped envelopes, postmarks, postcards, and other material relating to the postal delivery. The term philately also denotes the collecting of these items.
Yes. This is the photograph image that I could show the collection of these stamps. Yes. Next, fifth question.
Fifth question. Katana is developed from which language? Dash. Chinese, Japanese, Malaysian, and Korean.
Katana. Yes. Van Damme films are there. Blood sports. There he wants to steal the katana. It is a
Is option 4, sir.
Option 3, sir.
It is a true option. Katana is a word of the Japanese language. Yes. What does the katana stands for? Sixth question. Let-
Knife, 2 sickle, 3 rapier, and 4 is sword.
That is
Knife,
very
sir.
easy.
Knife, sir. Knife.
Second
Option 1.
option. I told you that he wants to steal. Van Damme wants to steal the katana, the sword, from his guru's house in the blood sport. That is means katana means sword, a legendary sword, we can say. And katana is a word for the sword in the Japanese language.
Also used specifically from the types of Japanese.
If somebody is speaking and somebody is talking. Okay, yeah. Okay, please. Read. Yeah, backward or a long sword that is there. And in use after the 14th century, he carved a sickle and a single-edged sword traditionally used by the samurai. Yes, next.
Seventh question. What does samurai literally mean? 1 is warrior, and 2 is knight, and 3 is protector, and 4 is both 1 and 2.
Yes. Before the host will read the 4 options, you should be in a position to give that answer. Because it's a mock exam also in one way and another way. What does samurai literally means? The warrior, knight, protector, or both 1 and 2?
Warrior
and katana, sir.
Warrior, sir.
It is fourth, both 1
One and
and
two, sir.
2. It's the fourth, both 1 and 2. That is the use of the noun samurai when you are talking about the elite Japanese warrior and who practice martial arts in pre-industrial Japan. In Japanese, the word samurai means warrior and knight. See, this is the Japan samurai. Yes, with this, today we will stop it. And the second host is very much ready over there. And I will give the chance to the second host and the Kolikunda. Yes, Sarath Babu, and now I will switch on to you and be ready and let us will move.
Good evening, sir. I am ready.
Ready.
I'm ready with my set of questions which pertains to legal aptitude especially. And first question is, what is FIR? In police stations, in courts, this is a very familiar word. First one
The
is
full form of it.
first investigation report. Second one is first information report. Third one is first information receipt. Fourth one is first information record.
Option 2.
Yes, option 2 is the right one. First information report. FIR is first information report. Information related to Any criminal offense registered with police for police action is called first information report. This information is often registered as a complaint by the person who is the victim of such a crime. Any person can inform the police about any crime either in writing or orally. It can be either in writing or in oral form also. Now, second question is whether FIR is, what is FIR? Is it abbreviation or is it contraction or is it acronym or is it symbol?
Sir, option 1, sir.
Option 1,
Abbreviation.
sir.
Abbreviation, sir.
Option 3 is the right one. Such
Acronym,
type
sir.
of letters or a set of letters is called acronym. We completely we can expand first information report like that. So such type of letters are called acronyms. And third question is provoking a person to commit a crime is called 1 forgery, 2 conviction, 3 abatement, 4 acquittal.
Treatment.
What?
Of
Repeat your answer. Why are you afraid of saying answer?
No losing the marks. No losing the marks.
You are soon going to write examination. If you are afraid, how can you write? Give one or the other answer. You are going to lose nothing.
But use your sixth sense and give the answer without checking the smartphone.
Sir, option 2, conviction.
Option 3 is the correct answer. Abatement. Abatement is provoking a person encouraging a person to commit suicide or some other thing. Now the fourth one is the constitutional courts among the following are 1. Supreme Court and High Courts, 2. Supreme Court, 3. All High Courts, fourth one is Supreme Court, High Courts and District Courts.
Option 4.
Sir, option 2, sir.
Option 2, sir.
Supreme-
Supreme Court.
Option
Supreme-
1 is the correct answer. Supreme Court and High Courts, both are called constitutional courts. Both are called Supreme Court and High Courts. The lower courts below High Courts are not called constitutional courts. Only High Courts and Supreme Court are called constitutional courts. Now the fifth question is, what is the full form of NLSAI in legal arena? Option 1 is National Seed Association of India. Option
Option.
2 is National Standards Authority of Ireland. Option 3 is National Legal Services Authority of India.
Yes.
Fourth one is the Nashville Songwriters Association.
Sir, option 3, sir.
Option 3, sir.
Option 3, sir.
Option 3.
Appreciated.
So
Appreciated.
your sixth sense might have prompted you to answer it because it is a TS law set and it is related to law. That's why your option, you have correctly chosen the option. Option 3 is the right answer. National Legal Service Authority of India. National Legal Service Authority of India was formed on 9th of November 1995 under the authority of the Legal Service Authorities Act 1987. Its purpose is to provide free legal services to eligible candidates and to organize Lok Adalats for speedy resolution of cases. Now, sixth question. Juvenile delinquency is a crime committed by 1.
Option
persons
3, sir.
Option
3, sir.
3. Option 3 is the right answer. Juvenile delinquency, చిన్న పిల్లల నేరం అనేది, that is a crime committed by persons below the age of 18 years. Option 3 is the correct answer. So persons below the age of 18 years, if they commit crime, then it is called juvenile delinquency.
Subject to the correction because minority is different, juvenile delinquency may be different. So let me
No, sir,
make
I
it.
have checked the answer, sir.
Yes, that's the reason. That's why I I want to go it because to my knowledge is the 16 years.
I
That
have
is the
checked
answer.
it later
For
only.
delinquency means, see, juvenile delinquency refer to the that is the antisocial or the criminal activity of the child below the 16 years. The answer is
Okay.
below the
For
16 years is the right answer. So that's
16
why.
years, 16 years for boys, I think, and 18 years for girls. There is
Anybody. So the right answer is persons below the age of 16 years. That is the second option is the right answer.
okay.
In the
Okay,
sixth
agree.
question.
Now, seventh question is imposition of death sentence is called 1. Conviction, 2. Hang to death, 3. Capital punishment, 4. Electrocution.
Capital punishment, sir.
Yes, your answer is right. Your
Appreciate it.
option is right. Capital punishment is called death sentence. And eighth question is, if a person cooperates with a criminal in the commitment of a crime, he is called 1. Accomplice, 2. Convict, 3. Accused, 4. Abettor.
Accused, sir.
Option 1, sir.
Accused.
Option 1 is the correct answer. I appreciate. Accomplice is a person who cooperates with an offender in the commitment of a crime is called accomplice. Next, ninth question is, orders given by courts not to do something is 1. Decree, 2. Judgment, 3. Injunction, 4. Execution. Not to do something, sometimes court gives orders.
Sir, option 3 is
Option 1, sir.
Option 3 is the right one, injunction.
injunction.
Sometimes courts pass injunctions not to do some things. They give strict directions, strict orders to persons not to commit or not to do some things. 10th question is, what is the largest constitution in the world? Is it
Sir,
that of USA? Is it that of UK? Is it that of Chinese? Or is it that
UK.
of India?
India, sir, India.
Yes, Indian constitution is the largest one. The world's largest written constitution is that of Constitution of India. 11th question is, legal aid is regarded as central in providing access to justice by 1. Ensuring equality before the law, 2. The right to counsel, 3. The right to a fair trial, 4. All of the above.
Sir,
Ensuring
option 1.
option
1.
Option 4 is the right one, all of the above. Ensuring equality before the law, that is the one criteria for providing access to justice to all. The right to counsel, that is also legal aid. The right to a fair trial, so it is also a legal aid. All of the above is the right answer. 12th question is, Indian Constitution empowers which court to issue writs? Consumer Court, District and Sessions Court, Supreme Court and High Court, Industrial Tribunals.
Sir, option 2, district and session court.
Option 3 is the right answer. It is both Supreme Court and High Court. They can issue writs. Constitution empowers them, both Supreme Court and High Courts, to issue writs. Writs in the nature of mandamus, certiorari, prohibition, quo warranto, and habeas corpus for the enforcement of fundamental rights.
Yeah,
So four
just a
types
break.
of writs are there:
Just a break.
habeas
Yes.
corpus, quo warranto, mandamus, certiorari, and prohibition. Out of those 5, habeas corpus is the important one. And next question is 13th question: who issues ordinances in India? Ordinances in place of acts. Sometimes these ordinances are issued. Who issues? Is it president or is it governor? Is it both 1 and 2 or is it parliament? Ordinances are issued.
Sir, 4th Parliament.
What?
Option
Parliament.
4.
Option 3 is the right answer. Both president and governor can issue ordinances temporarily till the bills are enacted. So
please also elaborate difference between ordinance, bills, and act.
what?
Difference between bill, ordinance, and also act.
Yes. Ordinance, in place of acts, to implement something, ordinance are given as an interim procedure by governor and president till an act is made in the legislatures. Some urgent measure is needed, then ordinances are given by president and governor. That only for temporary for 6 months. Sometimes that can be extended beyond 6 months also by the discretionary powers of governor and president. And 14th question is the following writ protects personal liberty: mandamus, habeas corpus, certiorari, quo warranto.
Option 2, sir.
Yes, habeas corpus, that is produce the body. That is the meaning of that habeas corpus. Corpus means body. So that protects personal liberty. The court may direct the police to produce the body of a certain candidate in the presence of judge. So that is habeas corpus. 15th question. Which of the following courts is Sessions Court? Is it Supreme Court? Is it High Court? Is it Family Court? Or is it District Court? Which one is the Sessions Court? Yes, you have to give a spontaneous answer.
Option 1, sir.
Option for district court.
Option 4 is the correct one. District Court is the Sessions Court. The trials are taken place there itself, criminal trials. So that is called, District Court is called Sessions Court. Now 16th question is, who is a citizen of India? There are 4 options here. A person born in India on or before 26/1/1950, but before 1/7/1987. Second option is a person born in India before or after 26/1/1950, but before 1/7/1987. Third option is a person born in India on or after 26/1/1950, but after 1st July 1986. Last option, fourth one, is a person born in India on or after 26/1/1950, but before 1st July 1987. So this is one criteria for the eligibility of a citizen. One of the many criteria.
Sir, option 2, sir.
Option 4 is the correct answer. A person born in India on or after 26/1/1950, but before 1st July 1987. A person born in India on or after 26 January 1950, but before 1st July 1987 is citizen of India by birth, irrespective of the nationality of his parents, considered citizen of India by birth if either of his parents is a citizen of India at the time of his birth. So now 17th question is, entering others area, entering other person's area without their permission is called trespass, bypass, interfere, torture.
Sir, option 1, trespass.
Option 1, sir.
Option?
1, sir.
Yes, option 1 is the right answer. Trespass, that is entering others area without their permission. Now 18th question is, which day is celebrated as National Law Day? We celebrate
Option
one day,
1, sir.
November 26. Which one?
Option 1, sir. November
Yes,
26.
option 1. That's good. Before revealing the options, you have given the answer. Option 1, that is November 26th, is celebrated as National Law Day, because on that
National
day,
Law Day and Constitution Day is same, sir.
Yeah, same.
what? Pardon me?
National Law Day and the Constitution Day are the same.
Yes, Constitutional Day also. That is both Constitutional Day and National Law Day. November 26th, on November 26th, 1949, this draft of Constitution was presented, and that is celebrated as National Law Day. 19th question, how many lists are there under Constitution of India? One is state list, two is union list, three is concurrent list, and fourth one is all of the above.
All of the above.
All of the above, because there are some subjects are under state lists, some subjects are under union list, and some are under concurrent list. So all of the above is the right answer. Now, the last question, that is 20th question, is the minimum number of judges to constitute the constitutional bench is, the constitutional bench we call in Telugu Dharmasanam. 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 9. The minimum requirement of number of judges, required number of judges to constitute the constitutional bench. ధర్మాసనం ఏర్పడటానికి కావాల్సిన కనీసం
Sir, option
జడ్జెస్
1, 5.
Option 1, sir. 5, sir.
Answer is option 1, 5. The case involves a substantial question of law if pertaining to the interpretation of the constitutions of the Constitution, which mandates that such matters be heard by a bench of not less than 5 judges. So that's all for today. Sir, please continue it.
Yes, sir. Now let me add something there. See, whenever the constitution bench will be added, whenever the such a full bench is added or a division bench is added, always the judges' numbers are in odd numbers. ODD, odd numbers. What is meant by odd numbers? Anyone?
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
I appreciate. Yeah. Which are not divided by 2 is called odd numbers.
Odd number.
So that's why if the 3 members are there, 5 members are there, because they cannot be equal, because at least a judgment is given as a 3 and the 2 may be the dissenting judgment. If the 6 would be there, it is a difficulty because 3 will be one side and 3 would be another side. Hence, always the benches should be in the odd number. Yes, now I will switch out to the next participant is very much present here, Sri Vidya, and now I will take out to the thing, then drag to your place. Yes, now I drafted. Now you can continue it, and
Yes,
you can
sir.
first share your screen. Yes. Yeah, now I could. Yeah, magnify it.
Is my screen visible now, sir?
Yes, magnify it. And participant, which screen that you could see it now? Participants, which screen you could see it now? I say, what is the serial number there?
Sir, 34.
Yes, sir. 34, sir.
Yes. Sri Vidya, now you continue.
Yes, sir. 34th question. The Union Minister is collectively responsible for option 1, the President, option 2, the House of the People, option 3, both 1 and 2, option 4, none of the above.
Sri Vidya, you can use your
Option 2.
video
Sure.
also if you want.
Okay, sir. Pardon, I did not hear your answer.
Option 2, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Option 2 is the correct answer. Union Minister are responsible for both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And option 2 is the correct answer. 35th question. The resolution to remove the Vice President of India can originate in option 1 Lok Sabha, option 2 Rajya Sabha only, option 3 both 1 and 2, option 4 none of the above.
Option 2, Rajya Sabha only.
Yes. Option 2 is the correct answer.
Appreciate. This is the spirit.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the spirit, real spirit.
And the feedback is here. The Vice President of India is the second highest constitutional birthplace in the India. Article 63 of the Republic of Indian Constitution states that there shall be a Vice President of India. The Vice President acts as a President within the absence of the President because of death, resignation, or instrument or different things. The Vice President of the Republic of India is additional ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. And what is ex officio member? What is number
Supplementary
4?
question.
Yes, sir.
4.
Yeah, you the answer.
Is like is the topmost member, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. It's a Latin word. And 36th question. The Lok Sabha member must have completed the age of dash years. Option 1, 21. Option 2, 25. Option 3, 30. Option 4, 35.
35.
Option 2.
Option 4, 35.
Option
35.
4, 35.
Option 2, ma'am, 25.
Yes, yes. Sana is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. And the Lok Sabha, it is 25. And what's the age of Rajya Sabha?
30 years.
Yes, Rajya Sabha. Under Article 84, Clause B of the Constitution of India provides that the minimum age for becoming a candidate for Lok Sabha elections shall be 25 years and 30 years for Rajya Sabha. The maximum
And-
37th question. Yes, sir.
And Prime Minister age is 35, madam.
Yes, yes. President age is 35.
Prime Minister 25 years.
No, Prime Minister is
25 years.
25 years.
Yes, go to the 37.
Yes, sir. 37th question. The maximum strength of Lok Sabha is option 1, 250, option 2, 220, 552, option 3, 530, option 4, 565.
Option 2, 552.
So appreciate. That is the right answer.
Yes, sir. Feedback is here. The maximum strength of the House envisaged by the Constitution is 552, which is made up by the election of up to 530 members to represent the state, up to 20 members to represent the Union territories, and not more than 2 members for the Anglo-Indian community to be nominated by the Honorable President. And what is the strength of Rajya Sabha? Maximum strength of Rajya Sabha. Supplementary question.
250, ma'am.
Sorry. 245 is the correct answer, and 233 are directly elected, and 12 are nominated by President. And 38th question, the Rajya Sabha member must have completed the age of dash year. Before we discuss this question, option 1, 21, option 2, 25, option 3, 30, option 4, 35.
30.
That is the correct answer. And I think feedback is not needed. 39th question, our constitution came into force on 26th November 1949, 15th August 1945, 26th January 1950, 1st January 1952. Our constitution came into
26.
force on
Option
3,
1,
ma'am.
sir.
Option
Option
3.
1.
option 2.
Option 2.
Yes, option 3 is the correct answer.
You
Came into
please
force-
concentrate on when it is adapted, when it is enforced. There are two different things.
Adopted on 26th November, came into
Ah.
force on 26th January 1950.
That is the difference.
And 26th November is also called as Constitutional Day, Samvidhan Divas, or National Law Day. And 48th question. The judges of Supreme Court can be removed by option 1, the Parliament, the President, option 2, Parliament, option 3, the Prime Minister, option 4, the Law Minister.
Option 1,
Option 1.
the President.
Option 1 is the correct answer. Whereas option 1 is for Supreme Court, for removing the judges in Supreme Court. What about High Court?
Governor.
Yes, correct answer, sir.
Governor.
The judge of Supreme Court cannot be removed from office except by an order of the President passed after an address in each House of Parliament, supported by a majority the total members of the House and by a majority of not less than 2/3 of members present and voted and presented to the President. It is called simple majority. Where suppose there are 100 members, where 2/3 members should present and vote the bill, then only they can remove the president. So they can remove the judge. 41st question. Under Hindu law, for a valid marriage, complete the age of dash years. Option 1, bridegroom 20 years and bride 16 years. Option 2, bridegroom 22 years and bride 20 years. Option 3, bridegroom 21 years and bride 20 years. Option 4, bridegroom 21 years and bride 18 years.
Option 4.
Option 4.
Option 4 is the correct answer. Bridegroom has been completed the age of 21 years and bride at the age of 18 years. Lockout means, 42nd question. Lockout means option 1, closing of an establishment jointly by employer and employee, closing of a place of employment under the orders of court, workers into the place of work. Option 4, the cessation of work by a body of person employed in an industry or trade.
Option 3,
Lockout.
ma'am.
Option 3. Option 3 is the correct answer. An employer does not allow workers into the place of work. It's lockout is a weapon to employer, whereas what is a weapon to employees?
Lawyers.
Did you get my question? Again, pardon sir, I can't hear you.
The
Lockout
host
is nothing
asked,
but
what
is
is
a weapon to
retrenchment?
employer.
Yes, proceed.
Strike is done by employer, strike is done by employee, and lockout is done by employer. An employer does not allow workers into the place of work, especially a factory, until they agree to certain conditions. 43rd question. National holiday in India is celebrated on. Hope everyone can answer this question. It's 26th November. The question. Who said justice delayed is justice denied? Option 1, Lord Herbert. Option 3, William E. Gladstone, Edward Gladstone. Option 4, Edmund Burke.
Option 3.
Option
Option 3, ma'am.
It's option 3 is the correct answer. Next question. 40.
Voice is
Option
breaking.
1, a transfer of. Is it okay now, sir?
Yeah, read now.
Yes, sir. A transfer of obsolete ownership in exchange of a price. A transfer of obsolete ownership made without consideration. Transfer of an interest in the property for securing a loan. A transfer of a right to enjoy a property for certain time for consideration.
Option 3.
Option 3.
Exactly correct.
Option 3 is the correct answer. Yes, sir. Mortgage is for immovable properties. Then what about pledge?
And Urdu, Rahan.
Sir,
Mean Rahan.
Rahan. Urf. They also say Urf, I think.
The host is
Urdu
asking,
property.
mortgage is for the movable property or the immovable property? It is for the immovable property mortgage. Yes, next.
Is immovable properties like land, houses, agricultural land, etc. And for the movable properties, it's called pledge. And lien is for feedback is not needed. 46th question. The right to reproduce, publish, and a literary, musical, or artistic work is known as option 1, patent right, option 2, goodwill, option 3, royalty, option 4, copyright.
Copyright, ma'am. Option 4.
Yes, copyright is the correct answer. Right to reproduce, publish, sell, or distribute the matter and form of something, such as literary, musical, artistic work is called copyright. 21 years has been reduced to 18 years. Under which constitutional amendment?
Options.
It is constitutional amendment, it came to 18 years. Option 1, 60th amendment. Option 2, 61st amendment. Option 3, 60th 64th Amendment.
Option 2, ma'am, 61.
61.
Yes, 61 is the correct answer. Yes, sir, everyone are saying most of the correct answers. 48th question. Which one of the following body or is not created by the Constitution of India? Option 1, Election Commission. Option 2, Planning Commission. Option 3, Controller and Auditor General. Option 4, Public
Option 2.
Commission.
One.
Option
Option 2,
election
Planning Commission.
Option
Yes, yes. Option. And now Planning Commission is replaced by
Niti Aayog.
very good.
No, we don't say the planning commission.
Elaborate what is Niti Aayog? Okay. Yes, sir, this Aayog.
the transforming India is called Niti Aayog. Niti
Full
Aayog.
time.
Nation.
Yes. Go ahead. 49th question, go.
Institute for Transforming India. It came in force in 2015. 49th question specifies otherwise every person domiciled in India is deemed to have attained majority upon completion of dash years. Option 1 16 years, option 2 21 years, option 3 18 years, option 4 22 years. A very easy question. I hope everyone will
Option
answer
4, 22 years.
Option 3.
It is option 3.
18
The
years.
answer is easy. Question little bit asked in a different way. And 58th question. The President of India has the right to nominate
12 members.
Option 3, ma'am, 12 members.
option 8 members. It is 12 members is the correct answer. 51 question. How many judges does the International Court of Justice consist of? Option 1 7, option 2 12, option 3 10, and option 4
Option 4
15.
15.
Option 4, 15.
15.
Option 4 15 is the
Exactly
correct answer.
correct. Option 4, 15.
This question previously said.
Yes, the war.
Yes, sir. And what is it called?
International Court.
International Court of Justice or World Court. Dislocated. Can anyone say where it is?
Netherlands.
In the place Hague.
Uh,
And the 52nd question. The highest law officer of India is? Option 1,
Attorney
Advocate General.
General. Option 3.
Yes, Attorney
Option
General.
Yes, that is true.
Correct
3 is true.
answer. Present acting
Yeah, there's a break in voice.
Attorney General.
Yeah. Go to the
Yeah.
53.
And the present acting Attorney General is K.K. Venugopal. The 53 question. The Sharda Act prohibits option 1 bigamy, option 2 sati, option 3 giving and taking of dowry, option 4 child marriage.
Option 4, child marriage.
Option 4 child marriage is the correct answer. Where before the age for marrying a child, marriage is of 14 for girls and 18 for boys. And after this passing, the age became 18 for girls and 21 for boys. 54th question. Which one of the following is not fundamental right under the Constitution of India? Option 1, right to constitutional remedies. Option 2, right to freedom of religion. Option 3, right against bonded labor. Option 4, right to property.
Option 4 right to property.
Option 4.
right to property.
Yes, option 4, right to property is the correct answer. Before right to property is a fundamental right, and after 44th Amendment, it became constitutional right. It was included in the Article 300A in the Part 12 of the Constitution. 55th question. Which of the following writ is issued by High Court in case of an illegal detention? Writ of prohibition, option 2, writ of mandamus, option 3, writ of habeas corpus, option 4, writ of quo warranto. Illegal detention.
Habeas corpus.
Option 3.
Option 3.
Option 3 is the correct answer. With SC, it is under Article 32. You can directly file a case under Article 32 in Supreme Court, and for High Court under Article 26, you can directly file a writ to the High Court. 56th question. The Supreme Court of India enjoys option 1 virginal jurisdiction only, option 2 virginal and appellate jurisdiction, option 3 advisory and appellate jurisdiction, option 4 virginal, appellate and advisory jurisdiction.
Option 4.
It's a master and roster. It enjoys all powers. Virginal, appellate and advisory jurisdiction. And 57th question. The Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India is
Option 4.
option 4 is the
Yes.
correct answer. And who is and he is the 48th Chief Justice of India. And who is the 47th Chief Justice?
Sharad Arvind Bobde.
Is the 47th.
Yes, ma'am.
And I think feedback is not needed. 58th question. The Constitution of India provides how many types of emergencies?
Three types of
3 kinds of emergency.
There's 3 kinds of emergencies. What are they?
national emergency, president
National,
rule, and
state, and financial.
Yes, very good. And articles are here. 352 for national, 356 for state, and 360
360.
and 356 for financial, and 360 for state. You can easily remember them. 4 articles there. The Constitution of India provides how many types or kinds of citizenship? Option 1 single citizenship, option 2 dual citizenship, option 3 multiple citizenship, option 4 none.
Option 1.
Option 1 single citizenship.
Yes, option 1 is the correct answer. One man, one vote system in our India. Whereas dual citizenship is provided in many countries like Bangladesh, Turkey, Egypt, Kenya, and Canada. 68th question. The Constitutional Advisory of Indian Constitution Assembly was
Option 2, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Option 3.
again read the question.
Option 3,
The
ma'am. B.N. Rao.
Constitutional. Yes, yes.
Option 1.
3. Option 3 is the correct answer. B.N. Rao. Constitutional Advisory is B.N. Rao. And sir, shall I start Indian economy or shall we start
Yeah,
it
now the
here?
time is up because it is going at any time. It will be going to up before you can give some guidance to them regarding how to answer the questions now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
now I see sure. You can just tell the guidance to them.
The thing is that we'll be having much time for law set
Yes.
exam.
Yes, tell me.
Everyone thinks we'll be having much time, but the thing is that first answer the questions what you know exactly. After that, you start doing like reasoning or aptitude questions. If not, you cannot adjust the time. The first thing is you need to adjust the time and you need to act according to that.